I'll edit it out. Just go ahead.
I'm gonna...
Just keep going. There you go.
Last thing I want to say is have a farting day. It's raining meat from out of the sky. Meat. No need to eat meat. No need. It's very sticky. The last one is, and give us 100 views on this video, or else the monster will get you. And subscribe, baby.